Hello and welcome to GER Hub Mathematics and Statistics lessons. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the concept infinity. Yes, the concept infinity as represented by this symbol in mathematics. But before we begin, smash a like on this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you very much for your subscriptions. For those who have subscribed, thank you for your views, your likes, your comments. We are very grateful from the depths of GER Hub. Now let us begin. So let us start with answering the question, what is not infinity? Okay, so infinity is not a number. Please take note, it is not a number. Now, why am I saying this? So many of us abuse the concept of infinity. In this case, thinking that infinity is a number. They go about thinking or talking about infinity as a number. Please, infinity is not a number. Okay? So what is not infinity? Infinity is not a number. Now, if infinity is not a number, what then is infinity? Infinity is the idea or concept or phenomenon that there is always a number greater than every predefined number. Okay, so infinity describes an unending sequence to numbers. Okay, an unending process to numbers. So what is not infinity? Infinity is not a number. For those of you who think infinity to be a number, it is not a number. What then is infinity? Infinity is the idea or the concept or the phenomenon that there is always a number that exceeds or is greater than every predefined number. So what that means is this. If you think of a number z as the greatest number, okay? So if z is the greatest number, then what does infinity say? Then infinity denotes the idea that there is a number z plus x that is greater than z. There is always a number z plus x that is greater than z, such that x here may be a member of the real number system and is positive. Okay, so what it means is this. If you select a number, let's assume you are so proud and you're so happy of about yourself that you have known the greatest number in life, and let's assume that that number you know is 1 million. For instance, if 1 million is your z, then let's select a number like 1, for instance, to be your x. Let's select 1 to be your x. Notice that if you claim that the greatest number known is 1 million, in which case is your z, then there is a number z plus x that is greater than z. Take note, 1 million plus 1 is greater than 1 million. Okay, so infinity describes this scenario, that provided there is a number x, maybe from the real number system, that is positive, that can be added to z, which you claim to be the greatest number, then the idea of infinity exists. It means that there is always a number greater than the greatest number you know. So that is what infinity means. And for us to represent infinity in mathematics, we use this symbol. This symbol that looks like an 8 that is placed horizontally represents infinity in mathematics. So what must you learn from this video? Infinity is not a number. Number 2, infinity is the idea or the concept or the phenomenon that there is always a number greater than every predefined number, meaning that there's always a number greater than every number you think is the greatest. Number 3, what symbol represents infinity? This symbol that looks like an 8 that is placed horizontally represents infinity. Now, as a simple explanation, if you think z to be the greatest number you know, or the greatest number that exists, provided you can select an x from the real number system with x being positive, then x would add to z to ensure that z plus x is greater than z, meaning that the number you thought was the greatest is actually not the number that is the greatest. There is always a number greater than the greatest number you think, and that explains the idea of infinity. Thank you very much, and thank you very much.